Hello everybody, I'm going to make a quick video on how to use the student IDs and Total View Action to create groups in LMS, which is a really great way to quickly and efficiently schedule your class connects and make updating them every 2 weeks a lot easier for everyone and a lot less overwhelming. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the kids from whatever color group and pod you want. I'm going to grab all of pod 1 orange for me. You might grab half the class, it's up to you. Then you are going to go to Total View Action. We clear this search. You're going to put those student IDs in the search bar and just hit search. Then you are going to select all. It might say students were not found. You can always cross-reference when you're done, but usually that just means that they have withdrawn. So after you click this little check to select all, you're going to then go over to the 3 little dots for the menu, and you're going to click Add Students to New Personal Group. I'm going to name my group, for me, Orange Pod 1. You name your group whatever you need to for you to know which kids it is. Then you're going to hit Create Group. Now you want to double check that your group is where it's supposed to be. So you're going to go back to that home page, and you're going to click the little link button and K-12 LMS. It might take a second to load. It is a little slower. Once it loads, it'll bring you to this home page, and you're going to want to go to Students, My Groups. Check that it's there. You can see both my groups. If you click on a group, it will show you all the students in that group. You can also hit the actions to edit group, create a new class connect this way if you would like. You can send them all a message or an email this way as well. If you are trying to schedule your classes our normal way through My Schedule, you would click Schedule New or Manage. So you're going to want to schedule as a small group. Label it how you're supposed to. And then when you select role, you're going to hit Student, but instead of searching by my classrooms, you're going to search My Groups. So I could click on this pod, search. It's going to bring up every single student in that group. You're going to put them as all optional. Yes, add all is optional. And then you're going to go through and see which kids have a grade that requires them to be required. You're going to hold the Control key on your keyboard and click on them. That'll allow you to multi-select. Then you'll click Required, and it will automatically switch them from optional to required. And then you can hit Continue to schedule. And then each week or every 2 weeks when you need to make adjustments, you can just edit your groups very easily. It's also a quick way to send out emails to everyone. I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or Kaylin Miller.